Select Other allows you to quickly click on entities that are behind other entities in your view of the model without rotating the graphics area or hiding components. This tool is great to select components inside of other components or faces behind your view. To use this tool, place your mouse in front of the entity you want to select and right-click. Choose Select Other. There might be several entities between the mouse and the one you want to select. The Select Other dialog appears and lists all the entities behind the mouse when you right-clicked. Notice as I scroll over each entity, I can dynamically see what would be selected. Once I find what I am looking for, I can simply click to select this part. Let's try again on this other component inside the spool casing. Remember, Onshape utilizes persistent selection. If you need to select several entities, you can just keep clicking. No need to hold Ctrl or Shift on the keyboard. This is true as you use the Select Other tool to make selections as well. The keyboard shortcut for Select Other is the Grav key on an American keyboard. This is located above the Tab key. Please see the help documentation for the Select Other shortcut key on non-American keyboards. To use the keyboard shortcut for Select Other, place your cursor in front of the entity to select and tap the Grav key on the keyboard. You can scroll through the Select Other list by continuing to tap the Grav key. You can scroll in the opposite direction by selecting the Shift and the Grav key together.